I'm Amber Marsala with SCN Corporate Connect. We're here today in Miami at the North American Bitcoin Conference. I'm here now with Caleb Slade from Salt. So Caleb, tell us about your company.
So Salt Lending is a membership-based platform that allows its members to borrow cash against their blockchain assets. So if you are an individual or a business like an ICO or a mining company or any enterprise that uses blockchain assets normally in your operating day to day, we let you put that up as collateral, and then you can get a cash loan or line of credit against that collateral, deposit straight into your bank account. It's a non-purpose loan. You can use it for whatever purposes you need to use it for, and then once you repay that loan and the interest, then you get your collateral back and all of its appreciation. So if you're somebody who has a lot of Bitcoin sitting around or Ethereum sitting around and you need some cash, really the only options that exist today are to go sell that in an exchange for that cash. Generally, that can often trigger a capital gains event, which isn't optimal, and you also lose out on that future appreciation of that asset. So let's say you sold Bitcoin last year, probably regretting it this year because it's worth a lot more. You should have held on to it.
Of course.
So Salt's purpose is to give you a little bit of that liquidity, a little bit of the value of that asset without having to give it up, and trigger all the events that happen when you sell something.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I know you touched on it, but can you go into a little more detail on how you're utilizing the blockchain technology?
Yeah, so Salt's solution to the problem of the volatility of this asset as a collateral is to directly address the risk of volatility by making the management of the loan, the holding and protection of the collateral underlying and protecting and securing the loan all automated and on the blockchain.
Okay.
So instead of having a team of accountants and bookkeepers and collateral managers, we use a smart contract technology and multi-signature architecture to take that collateral from the borrower, hold it in a very safe multi-signature architecture, so no one can run with the funds, including the borrower or the lender. Then it automatically enforces the terms of that loan, protecting both the lender and the borrower. So when the borrower repays the loan, the technology watches that happen. It's plugged into the banking infrastructure. So as soon as the loan is repaid, it automatically signs to return the collateral back to the borrower. Similarly, if the borrower misses a payment, then the technology knows that it's missed a payment, and then it takes that payment out of the collateral, just takes it off the top, gives it to the lender on the borrower's behalf, and the loan keeps rolling.
What a great concept.
Yeah.
So how long have you been in this space, and how did you get involved?
So I got into the space, I forget the exact time, but it was right around the run up to the Mt. Gox fiasco. So it was a couple years ago. I was very interested in it from a philosophical standpoint. I just always been really interested in Austrian School of Economics and free market theories, and found out about Bitcoin through a local meetup and a friend that was interested in it, and then just got fascinated with the technology and really quickly realized that this is going to change the way that human beings interact with each other. It was going to impact the way that we exchange value and the way that we operate as a society, and then just dove right in and met my co-founders through a lot of those same meetup groups, and just built the company from there.
That's great. So as far as this event, how has it been for you overall?
It's been awesome. It's amazing to see the turnout. I think it's probably 10x from the last year's attendance, and both days, both yesterday and today, it's just been a flood of interest. I think we're seeing a lot more interest from the traditional world of finance coming in and just wanting to see all the innovations that are happening in the space. A lot of people here to learn, a lot of people here who have been here for a long time and are just looking to continue to add value to this awesome ecosystem.
Yeah, that's great. Well, best of luck to you. Thank you so much for talking with us,
Caleb. Thank you for your
Caleb.
time. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you. I'm Amber Marsala, and you're watching SCN Corporate Connect.